के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा, नैनों के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा, और दृष्टि से लोरियां सुनाई तूने।
नजरों से सहलाया, प्यार से बहलाया, नजरों से सहलाया, प्यार से बहलाया, जिंदगानी लाखों की बनाई तूने। नैनों के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा, नैनों के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा।
And the doctor has said that she should be immediately taken to Bombay because Mama might be having a suspected cancer. In those days, medical facilities in India about cancer, there were not that many. Only in Bombay we had a famous Tata hospital for cancer. So the doctors from Kanpur had recommended that Mama should be taken to Bombay. And those brothers told me, so I asked that brother that what is the program of Mama? So that brother told me that he has talked with Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba was at Mount Abu. That Baba has told that Mama should go to Abu and not to Bombay first. So I told that brother that please do not accept this guidance from Baba. I will talk with Baba and then let you know where Mama should go. In my humble opinion, Mama should come first straight to Bombay. So then I immediately booked Trunkle to Mount Abu and told Baba that Mama should be brought to Bombay. She should not go to Abu first. Baba said, no, she should come to Abu first, then Baba will decide. So I told Baba, what else can you decide? In case of a sickness is sickness. How are you going to change the events also? Let she come first to Bombay. So Baba said that where she will stay. By that time what had happened that we had disposed of our old residence. So we had only one residence. So I told Baba, Mama will stay with us. She has already stayed with us for 8 months. And then subsequently also she came for 2 months also. So I told that Mama has already stayed with us for 10 months. Let she stay with us again. She said, but that time you were having your old house residence and now you don't have that old residence. I said, so what? Let she come here, stay with us. We will take Mama to hospitals. My sister is a doctor. And you know that you have said so many times in your Murli that doctor is next to God. And a patient requires medical treatment and medical attention. So my sister will be there, I will be there, and everybody will be here. So Baba said, okay child, you can ask that Mama to come to Bombay. Then I asked Baba that why you have changed this question. I mean this question of why you are answering that let Mama come to Bombay and not to Abu. So Baba said that look child, I was also thinking of sending Mama to Bombay directly. But the question was where she will stay. And then you have answered this question. And Baba said that because of this answer, you have relieved me of this and you have helped me in answering this question. And Baba said that when you help somebody at the nick of time, you get extra benefit. And Baba said that for this help to Mama and about this accommodation and operation, Baba will bless you extra in the golden age. I said, Baba, I don't want any extra benefit. When I take care of my mother, we don't do it with any expectation. that because I take care of my mother, I will get extra benefit or extra blessings and all those things. Please do not think like that, that I am doing with some selfish motive of getting extra blessings from you. This is not a business that I care something and you give me extra, and because you are giving me extra, I am taking care. It is not a exchange, or this is not a business. This is out of love. Baba said, yes, I appreciate your this situation.